Did you know that anyone who sits at your laptop can read all your WhatsApp messages in seconds? If you use WhatsApp on your laptop or desktop, I'll show you how to add a password lock to WhatsApp Web so your chats stay private and secure. If you find this video useful, then consider leaving a like, because it would really help out the channel. Okay, let's start by opening WhatsApp Web on our computer, and you'll then click on the little settings icon, which is located at the bottom left corner of our screen. After that, I'll click on Privacy, and you should scroll a little bit down until you see this App Lock feature. This will allow us to set a password for WhatsApp Web, so just enable the feature by tapping on this switch. Our job is to enter a password 2 times, and then you will lock the app. From now on, when someone navigates over to WhatsApp Web and they try to access your messages, they will first be prompted to enter a password in order to unlock WhatsApp on your computer and see the messages. So if you need more similar WhatsApp tutorial videos like this one, then make sure you check them out on our channel, and I will see you in the next video.